We are on the Jewell farm, and the Jewell family enrolled their land in the Agriculture Land Easement Program. The Agriculture Land Easement Programs allows a farmer to maintain the land and working lands while implementing conservation practices. It protects it from development and other non-ag uses. And we worked with the Iowa Natural Heritage Foundation as a sponsoring agency to help make this happen.
We are just outside of Decorah, Iowa. We raise organic turkeys and cattle as well as crops, both organically and conventionally. The ALE stands for Agricultural Land Easement, and we put in just under 700 acres here a few years ago. The easement allowed us to be able to feel secure that there wasn't going to be any building, mining, anything that was going to cause detriment to the land.
I'm a fourth-generation farmer, and I'm very pleased to have my son Robbie here on this operation for the last few years, as I did with my father starting back in 1979. We have a long-standing relationship with NRCS.
The benefits of the Agriculture Land Easement Programs allows us to maintain this property as working land. So then we can work with the Jewell family to continue to build on their conservation plans that will protect the land but also increase the conservation benefits on the property.
As we're all aware, small family farms are a thing of the past for the most part, and that's unfortunate. The reason we did this did have to do something with the dollars involved, but most importantly it had to do with keeping it the way it is. It allowed us to keep farming as we always have and protect the land in the end.